Okay. So Renton, Washington. It looks like a blizzard out here. I've never seen this much snow in probably forever. It looks like a blizzard. This is snow. So much snow I can't even talk. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's a blizzard. I can't see the valley. This is Lily. Hey Lily, you like the snow? Lily, look at the camera. Say, I like the snow. That's my beautiful wife, Peggy, and my daughter, Lily. Look at that snow.
Awesome.
Oh.
2 seconds ago,
Bet Holly and them were gonna go crazy. Looks like a blizzard, and I better go back inside. Wow.